welcome back. Welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. My name is Ray. I'm the owner of Independent Island Life Insurance Agency. You can find me on Facebook or on the web, independentislandlifeinsurance.com. I got 27 five-star reviews. So like LeVar Burton said, you don't have to take my word for it. I will take care of you. Let's jump into today's video. All right, weight loss. Weight loss, weight loss. I had a friend recently I talked to last week who has been so successful with his weight loss that he started a business with it. And we were talking about life insurance for him. We've been talking about it maybe for 2 years now. And he told me just last week that he wants to wait a little bit longer to finish his weight loss goal, to get to that ideal weight. So, I talked to him and told him the numbers don't lie. Let me just run a couple things by you. Make sure you understand the risks associated with waiting. And so I'm going to use this graph here, this graph that I created, this chart, to talk to you, to show you what I was telling him over the phone. So there's a headwind you face when you're trying to bring the cost of life insurance down by losing your weight. He's already lost quite a bit of weight. He's almost at the end of his weight loss journey. So he's about to, this line here represents his weight. He's about to reach that point where he's going to level off and maintain for the rest of his life. So there's not much more room for him to come down on his weight. So the risk that I helped him realize he's taking, the chance he's taking, is that life insurance goes up about 8 to 12% every birthday. So every time you have your birthday, expect about 10% to be tacked on to the monthly premiums that you're going to be paying. On average, 10%. So once he realized this, he realized that if he doesn't lose enough weight to bring the cost down by at least 10 to 12%, then he's actually going backwards. The cost of life insurance is getting more expensive for him by waiting to lose weight. And because his weight loss journey is probably getting pretty close to the end, there's not a whole lot of downside for him to work with. Not a lot of weight that he can potentially lose and still be healthy and get the cost of his life insurance down by at least 12% so that he's not going backwards. Now that he realized this, we're going to continue the conversation now rather than later and run some numbers. So good for him. Good job doing that if you watch this video. But I want to take that opportunity to teach all of you who are also thinking about waiting on losing weight to get life insurance, because it is a good idea to lose weight because it's going to bring the cost of your life insurance down. You have to lose a decent amount, though. It's not just 5 pounds. It's typically somewhere between 20 to 30 pounds to get to that next lower tier on pricing. So good job on that goal. But what's the better thing to do is to get life insurance right now. It's always right now with life insurance. And then while you lose weight going forward in time, right? The x-axis here represents time. As time goes on and you are successfully losing that weight, when you reach that ideal weight, that's when we talk again, get on the phone. We find you a much cheaper option for the same death benefit. We set that up first, and then we cancel the old one. So that way, all these years while you're losing weight, or months, however long it takes you, you're protected. Your family is protected, more importantly, so that if anything happens to you, tragically, they will be taken care of. Hopefully this makes sense. My name is Ray Keller, again with Independent Island Life. Feel free to reach out to me with your questions. You can leave your purse and leave your wallet in the car or tuck it away somewhere in your house, because we'll do this all over the phone anyway. So we can just talk and knock out your questions one by one and go from there. Hopefully this has been helpful. Make it a fantastic week. We'll look forward to future videos coming soon. Bye now.